Hello viewers, welcome back. Our today's video is about the transformer loading beyond the nameplate rating, which refers to the events when the transformer connected in the power network is overloaded for a short or long period of time. Power system engineers have to ensure the safety of the transformer while overloading it, as there is a maximum overloading capability of the transformer beyond which the life of the transformer is drastically affected. In our today's video, such transformer overloading capabilities are discussed according to IEEE standards. Hope that you are going to enjoy our discussion. Limit of temperature rise for the transformer is the factor which decides that how much a transformer can be overloaded beyond the nameplate rating. This is because when the loading of the transformer increases, the temperature of the winding and the oil which is in contact with the winding also increases. And this results in the thermal aging of the transformer insulation. It is important to note that temperature is not uniform in all the spots of the winding. The winding spot where the temperature is maximum is called the hot spot temperature or the hottest spot temperature. As per IEEE standard C57.12.00, for transformers operating at rated kVA, the average winding temperature rise above ambient temperature shall not increase 65 degrees centigrade. And the maximum hottest spot temperature of the winding is limited to 80 degrees centigrade. Transformers tested in accordance with IEEE standard C57.100 demonstrates the minimum life expectancy of 20.5 years or 180,000 hours. It is important to note that the life expectancy of 180,000 hours is defined at the hottest spot temperature of 110 degrees centigrade. For 65 degrees centigrade average winding temperature rise. As per IEEE standard C57.91, if the transformer is operated above the hottest spot temperature of 110 degrees centigrade, the rate of aging is accelerated and the life of the transformer will be reduced from 180,000 hours. IEEE standard C57.91 defines the load cycle, which a transformer may experience during the 24 hours of operation. Load cycle shows that during daily operation, the transformer loading varies with time. Usually, the transformer experiences the peak load during the evening hours. Since the life of the transformer is dependent on thermal aging of the insulation, which is temperature dependent, therefore transformer normal life expectancy loading is defined as continuous loading, which results in the hot spot temperature under the limit of 110 degrees centigrade, assuming the average ambient temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. As we have already discussed that the hot spot temperature limit of the transformer is obtained by adding the ambient temperature in the transformer temperature rise due to the loading condition. Ambient temperature is the temperature which is in contact with the transformer radiators and heat exchangers. For quick approximation, IEEE standard C57.91 under table 3 provides an ambient temperature base criteria according to which we can increase or decrease the loading of the transformer. According to the approximation, if the ambient temperature is lesser than the designed ambient temperature of the transformer, then the kVA rating of the transformer will increase by the values shown here. And if the ambient temperature is more than the designed ambient temperature, then the kVA rating of the transformer will be decreased by the values shown here. We have considered a 1000 kVA transformer which is designed at 30 degrees centigrade ambient temperature. Here we can see that with the increase or decrease of the ambient temperature, the kVA rating of the transformer varies from designed kVA rating. IEC standard 60076-7 defines that how the operating temperature of the transformer increases and decreases with the transformer loading. Since the oil temperature is dependent on the winding temperature, therefore the values of the oil temperature is always lesser than the winding temperature. Winding temperature of the transformer is measured by the installation of temperature sensors in the transformer winding. It is common to measure the transformer top oil temperature through thermometer installed at the top cover of the transformer. IEEE standard C57.12.00 defines the relationship between transformer life and the hottest spot temperature of the transformer. The life of 180,000 hours is estimated at the hotspot temperature limit of 110 degrees centigrade. If the transformer is operated above 110 degrees centigrade, the life of the transformer is drastically affected. Same is also defined in IEEE standard C57.91 under table 2. 24 hours operation of transformer at 110 degrees centigrade. The loss of life is estimated at 0.0133%. However, if the same transformer is operated at higher temperature, the same loss of life will occur at lesser operation time. If the transformer is operated at higher temperature than 110 degrees centigrade, then the loss of life is further accelerated. From our today's discussion, we can conclude that the loading of the transformer is purely dependent on its hotspot temperature limit. And the hotspot temperature limit is dependent on the ambient temperature and the winding temperature. If the hotspot temperature limit of the transformer increases from the design value, then we will compromise the design life of the transformer. So this is the end of our today's video. I hope it will help you to develop the understanding about the topic. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please give suggestions for improvement in the comments box. Please also let me know if you need information about any other topic. I will try to cover it in my next vlogs. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates about the latest videos. Thank you.